Ubla Lotak, Kanuit Pizzy. Today is Monday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Do you remember last week David talked to you guys about ways to relax our vagus nerves so that we can calm ourselves in situations where we feel anxious or stress. So the two ways we can relax our vagus nerve is by singing it out and exercising. Exercising could be running, walking, stretching, or even dancing. Let's dig deeper into these two ways of relaxing ourselves. As you know, the vagus nerve goes through our whole body. One way we can relax our vagus nerve is by singing it out. What does it look like to sing it out? It can look like humming. It could look like singing in the head. I like to sing it in my head. And some people like to sing it out loud.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning on my horizon. 3 little birds were on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melody blowing through. They said, this message is for you. They said, don't worry,
be happy.
about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright.
Last week, juniors and seniors got an opportunity to explore some career options after high school. So we went to CCR trip. CCR trip is College Career Readiness Trip, where you get to explore different opportunities after high school. You go visit college campuses, vocational training centers like AFTEC, Job Corp, JAG Shipyard in Seward. Last week we all went to Anchorage, Wasilla, Palmer, Seward, Soldotna. It was a really fun trip. We had a lot of fun learning about new career opportunities. We created a lot of good memories, and some of those memories I was able to capture and I would like to share with you all. This was the group of high schoolers who went to the CCR trip. Isn't this a cool picture? Here are some pictures from the CCR trip. First, we went to Seward where we explored Jack Shipyard and we learned a lot about ships, ferries, and job and career opportunities like welding, painting, carpentry, and so much more. We also went to NIT, that was Northern Industrial Training Center, where students explored heavy equipments and small engine repair. It was really cool. Some of the students were really interested. These two pictures are from US Coast Guard. Here some students at UAA Aviation program saw how the small planes fly, which was really cool. They got to sit in the small plane in the cockpit and see all the different tools and functions of an airplane. It was really awesome. Seward was really pretty. I really liked this picture. It was really nice. This beautiful campus was at Job Corp. Look at these smiling faces here. We all had a great time learning about different careers and job opportunities after high school. It was really fun trip. Time for some important reminders. So the upcoming eligibility will be on November 14th. That eligibility is for the regionals. and the eligibility check after that is going to be December 16th for the first basketball game. So to be eligible for any sports activity or any student activity, make sure you have no failing grade. That means no Fs, and at least 2.0 GPA and at least 80% attendance to participate in any sports or student activities. Thank you for your time today. I hope you guys have a great day today. Happy learning.